Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
I got one of my subscribers from YouTube stop by. Never met him a day in my life. What's your name now? Mo. SprayWay. As you can see, he said he been following me for years, and he found out where I stayed by one of my videos with my son. Had almost lost it down there when he was which video was it?
No, but twin turbos.
Oh, okay. You talking about my last video where we yeah, okay. Yeah, and look what he brought me. SprayWayCustoms, and he left it raw so I could paint it and see what I'm gonna do with it. I like that there. You know, you ain't the first person that came by that seen, you know, that seen where I stayed from my videos. It was a guy from Houston, Texas that came by. And he was up in this area. He was up in this area. You say you stay around here?
Yeah, I'm down the road.
Okay. All right. And you say you do sheet metal, or
yeah,
what type of work you do?
I build rock crawlers on the side, but I do custom metal work, all that good stuff. A little bit of fiberglass, but I came to see the masses.
Okay. Yeah, I'm back here doing some fiberglass work now.
You mind if I come back?
Yeah, you can come back. You say you've been playing with fiberglass?
I've been playing with fiberglass, but I saw your techniques and it's on point, dude.
Well, this right here, I was trying something different. I had put some fiberglass cloth on here, and I'm trying to sand it down so I can put some fiberglass mat, cause I like that mat better than that cloth. It's a lot, you know, stronger. And I'm trying to trim it up. I'm trying to take this out so I could lay the mat on instead of leaving that on, cause it's gonna be hard to take out if I keep on fiberglass. But you can see,
It's a magic shop.
yeah, you can see I got all my fiberglass supplies out. What type resin you be using?
Fiberglass is where I normally get all my stuff.
We talking about online or local? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I used to, well, I still use it sometimes. It wasn't no brand, because you can get that at your local Walmart.
Home Depot, Lowe's, that's where I got that. I didn't like it too much.
Yeah.
Because if it sits for too long, it gels up too fast.
You can set this down instead of you gotta hold it. But I like that though. Yeah.
Thought you'd like that, bro.
Especially when I build my new shop. See, I can put this on the wall. Yeah. You the first one that brought me some art like this here. I really appreciate it. That could be my logo there, you know, cause I ain't never had no logo. I ain't never came up with no logo. This would be a good logo for my, you know, I can make some merchandise, shirts and stuff, hats. Yeah, that could be my logo.
I saw the grill for your
Oh yeah.
car.
Yeah, I got that at my stores. I got a lot of my stuff there because I ain't got no room here. Yeah.
I thought you'd like that spot.
Oh yeah. I like that though. If you ever, you know, you can, like, if you trying to figure out how to do fiberglass, whatever, you can always stop by, or I can help you out. And you say you stay close, I can, you know, come by. Give you some pointers, or you can give me some pointers. You know, we can always learn from each other. Yeah. Do you got some CA glue?
No, I saw that you posted that the other day.
Yeah, I got some. I got a lot of it. I'll give you some if I can find it somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Dropping everything. Yeah, I got a. If you need anything, like, I got some more fiberglass mat. If you need some fiberglass mat,
I've got them by the rolls, and I got.
Hold this right quick. I'll open it for you. Cause this right here go a long way. Two boxes if you want. Cause it ain't expensive. But it worked though.
That's what they do for your wood? To the
Yeah, you can, or you can put your fleece on too.
Okay.
Cause like if you I don't know if you ever dealt with fiberglass, like the fleece.
I haven't
If
done
you
fleece
use-
yet. I haven't done
Okay,
fleece.
you know, did fleece. If you use this Loctite stuff here,
Mm-hmm.
and then when you start putting your resin on, it'll interact, and then your fleece will lift up. So
Awesome.
yeah, because it'll interact with it and it lifts up. So if you use that, it won't lift up.
Awesome.
It
Awesome.
won't interact with it. Yeah. Trying to think something else. I don't know what all you do, so I don't know what all you need.
It ain't nothing, bro.
Yeah, you be doing like you use Bondo or something, body filler.
Don't do body filler.
I was gonna say I got some mixing boards. I got a lot of stuff. I sell stuff online too, so but a lot of my stuff at my shop, at my storage.
Well, see, now that I know the painter, I don't have to worry about being able to bring it to
Oh yeah, I can paint it. I do everything myself, so
Yes, sir.
that's why I got stuff all over the place.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Yeah. What you working on now?
I've got a big Jeep that I'm working on, redoing suspension on it, lowering it down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to possibly be doing a fiberglass dash.
Okay.
Usually we make them out of aluminum or sheet metal.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and do them out of fiberglass. With your fleece system.
Yeah.
One of those will just be pretty clean.
Yeah, I always, like when I'm doing something, every time I do a dash, I do it different, trying to find the best way of doing it because there's always a better way. And I tried putting this fiberglass cloth. See, this fiberglass cloth.
Yep,
I tried using, it's good using that if it's a flat surface, but.
The one that I've got is actually a looser weave.
Yeah. Is it made by Bondo?
I don't remember who it's made by. I'll send you the link.
Okay.
But it's a whole lot looser and it lays down real nice.
Yeah, this here, I got this from Amazon.
Okay.
It's okay. I think I'm gonna use it on like a big flat surface. I use it then to build it up, but as far as doing something with a lot of curves, nah, I don't like it. I'm working with it now, dealing with it. I'm finna sand all that back down and put some fiberglass mat on it. Just
Chop strand.
You can't go wrong with that.
No, sir.
You got some rollers, fiberglass rollers?
Yes, I got my rollers, got my chip brushes, all that good stuff.
Oh yeah. I got some rollers, I don't even really use them. I'm so used to using them chip brushes, see.
So like when you posted these,
Yeah.
I use this one and this one. I don't use these two.
Yeah. I'm so used to doing it with the chip brush, like dabbing it, and I'm just.
And these worked out good for me for the longer pieces to get all the bubbles out, get all the extra resin out of them.
What you do to clean your rollers once you get
In
done?
a bucket with not lacquer thinner, it's xylene.
Oh, okay.
The xylene breaks down the resin a little bit easier.
You just leave them in your bucket over.
I leave them in there overnight,
Mm-hmm.
shake them back off or blow them off with air, and it's clean.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then I got some different hardener somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's UV hardener.
That's I saw you posted the UV
Yeah,
one.
yeah, it's right here.
I normally use the regular clear.
Yeah,
That's the one.
I probably don't use them too unless it's real.
That's the same place I get my stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah. They ship fast too.
Yes, sir. Down in Florida.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I used some of it last night.
It's good
I'm
stuff.
trying to use this up though. You know how much this is now?
It's 40.
It was $80-something at Walmart, or not Walmart, but Lowe's.
Oh,
I don't know if they went down on the price, but when I found out it was $80-something, I started shopping online.
yep. That stuff right there works.
Yeah, I think this was like $38.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's it. That's the one for that.
yeah. Pretty much all of it worked though.
Yes, sir.
That'll harden up that. Have you ever tried like making some rondo, mixing this with
I saw
body
your
filler?
recipe. I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, oh, it'd work. Especially like if you trying to self-level something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
that'd work.
haven't quite got that far yet. Been doing metal all week, all year, so fiberglass comes this spring for me.
You got a CNC
Yes,
machine for this here?
Yes, sir.
I thought about getting something like this here.
Now you don't have to. Now you know where to go.
That's nice there. You know how to weld?
Yes, a little bit.
You need to teach me.
Welcome anytime.
For real. That's something I don't know how to do. I try, but it don't gotta be pretty because I'm gonna do some
Body work.
body work anyway.
Yeah, you're welcome anytime.
Yeah. I bought another welder though. At first I had a Harbor Freight welder. I bought a Lincoln.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Trying to step up my game a little bit. But I still need some practice though.
And that's awesome.
Yeah. Nice meeting you too. That was pretty cool of him to make this and bring it to me. And what's fun about it, he said he had it in his truck for a week and he was gonna come over here one night, but he didn't want to just pop up without me knowing. It just so happened I was outside working and he came around to the fence and hollered and said, "Hey, is you Sprayway?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "I got something for you." So I went out to his truck and this what he had. So he actually had it made for me and then he didn't know if he was gonna get in touch with me. I think I got some of the best subscribers on YouTube. I appreciate all y'all support of what y'all do. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know what color y'all think I should go with as far as painting this. I was thinking about using this for my logo because I ain't got no logo. Then I could start making some merch.
We never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from